Hello, welcome to my presentation. This presentation is on how cybernetics affects athletics. In my report, I concluded three possible outcomes for this effect. Firstly, how cybernetics is helping bring disabled people into the world of athletics through prosthetics and robotics. Secondly, how us as humans could be upgraded, so to speak, to become better, more agile, better performance-wise versions of ourselves. And lastly, how one day we could remove humans entirely from athletics through robots. We could use control mechanisms to control robots to run for us, and this would make athletics quite unethical, but more exciting. Today I will be going into effect number 2, the use of superhumans. Superhumans is just my way of saying humans that have been cybernetically enhanced to improve performance and stamina. I have created a BPM model of how the Olympics starts and finishes. This is very basic as well. Basically, the Olympics is an event which athletes choose to participate in, with all different events to specialize in. It is then broadcast to the world, and the winning athletes of each event are awarded, and a big closing ceremony happens. And this is all explained in this BPM model. In this next BPM model I created, it shows the effects of superhumans. The Olympics would be the same, change considerably however. The running and sprint events would be longer distances spanning across states or even countries, and the track and field events would be more physically demanding and more aggressive events. A 1,000 meter sprint would become 1,000 kilometer sprint, and shot put would use a medicine ball instead of a shot put to further the event, and the standards for all these events would be much higher, as the events would be much harder. The Olympics would also feature a lot more athletes, as people with disabilities would be able to compete in all events. This model could be more thorough, but I wouldn't be able to fit it into this video, so I'll leave this here, and thank you for listening to my presentation.